Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan App. In this video we'll be talking about how to fix Apple Watch stuck on estimating time remaining. Number 1. Be patient first. Sometimes it really does take a long time, especially for major updates. Wait at least 30 to 60 minutes before assuming it's stuck. Number 2. Check your internet connection. Make sure your iPhone is connected to strong Wi-Fi. Also, ensure your Apple Watch is on its charger and within Bluetooth range of your phone. Number 3. Restart both devices. Restart your iPhone and Apple Watch. iPhone, press and hold the side button plus volume, then slide to power off. Apple Watch, hold the side button, then power off, and then turn it back on. Number 4. Free up storage on Watch. If the watch is low on space, it may hang on updates. On your iPhone, open the Watch app, go to General, then Storage to check usage. Remove unused apps or music if needed. Number 5. Delete the update and try again. On iPhone, Watch app, General, Usage, Software update, then delete the update. After deleting, restart both devices and try downloading the update again. Number 6. Update iPhone first. Your iPhone should be running the latest iOS version. Go to Settings, General, Software update, and update your iPhone first if needed. Number 7. Use a stronger Wi-Fi. If your connection is slow or spotty, try switching to a faster or more stable Wi-Fi network. Number 8. Try updating via Watch, if using watchOS 6 or later. On the watch itself, go to Settings, General, Software update. Number 9. Still stuck? Reset Watch as your last resort. This erases your Apple Watch. Do only if nothing else works. Settings, General, Reset, erase all content and settings. Then, repair with your iPhone and try updating again.